Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Here let's choose the biometrics and security, and as you can see on the second position we've got the fingerprints, so let's tap on it. Let's confirm the pattern if you have one, and as you can see here we've got our fingerprint added. Let me show you how to remove it. Simply tap on it, click on remove and click on remove, and as you can see it simply disappears. Now let me show you how to add one. Simply tap on add fingerprint, let's click on continue. Now we have to scan our fingerprint. Let's put our finger on the sensor. The sensor is located on the power button, so let's touch it, and now we have to do it a few times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see here we've got our fingerprint added. If you want we can add another, if not click on done. And as you can see this is the whole fingerprint menu. We can tap on it just like before, we can remove it or rename it if we want. What's more, we can add another one or check added fingerprints, so this is a kind of like of test, and if we've got much more fingerprints added then we can tap on it and check which one is added. What's more, here we can decide if we want to use our fingerprint as an unlock, or if we want our fingerprint to be always on, so we will be able to wake and unlock our device just by tapping on the power button. And now let me show you if it is working. Let's block our device and let's put our finger on the sensor. So let's block it and put the finger, and as you can see the screen is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. So that's all. This is how to add fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and to give the thumbs up.